Hey guys, Brian Davis here with Copper Star Kayak. So today I want to share something with you that I've actually had a lot of people request some help on. So I have right here, I'm going to walk you through. This is an emergency kayak kit. So this came because I didn't have one and I needed it. So after that happened, I said no more of this. So I put together an emergency kayak kit. So let me walk you through what I've got in this thing. So I've got it all sealed up here in this kind of waterproof case, and then inside of this thing I've got a few different things. So I've got some extra pieces of plastic here to do some patches. I've got a couple of different heat sources to melt plastic down if I need to do a patch over a crack or a hole, and I would recommend practicing that a little bit before you get out there. You don't want the first time that you're trying to repair a plastic kayak to be when you're out in the middle of a lake or a river. I got some paracord. I've got a couple extra kind of handles and some buckles and things in here. A really high powered kind of a torch lighter. I don't know if you can see that, but it's one of these really high powered torch lighters which will melt the plastic down really good. I've got just a little cheap knife. I have one of these multi-tools in here. This was just kind of a backup one that I had. I've got, now this stuff is really good. So this is Gorilla Tape clear, I think it's called crystal clear Gorilla Tape. This stuff's amazing. I have applied this stuff underwater and it's stuck, it's held. If I'm being honest, this may be the only thing that you need is this crystal clear tape. And then I've got just a little wire scrub brush here, because sometimes when you get a scratch or a crack, it's full of rocks and things, and you can't really patch really well if you don't have something like this. Let's see here, what else? And then I've got, another little buckle here in case I need that for something, a couple carabiners. But anyways, this is really good to have. It's really important to have one of these, especially if you're going to be out for a few days sort of on your own, maybe out in the middle of nowhere. This is really important to have. And the whole thing, probably, I don't know, maybe 20 bucks of items that I've thrown in here. Okay, so a quick note on the plastics. Make sure you get the right type of plastic. So these are both HPDE2. Do a little bit of research on yours. Make sure that you have the right kind of plastic. So this actually came from a Gain bottle of, I think this is laundry detergent. And this is HPDE2. So it welds directly to a kayak. And then this is just some cutoffs. I added some stuff to one of my kayaks and had some cutoffs, and this stuff is great because it came right off of the kayak. This one probably has a little bit more than what I would really need if it were just me, but because I take a lot of people out, you never know what's going to happen. So I make sure that I've got plenty of stuff here to take care of, whatever may come up. So anyways, I hope this helps you, and thanks for watching.